You guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to the channel. Well, I just want to do a quick video on the Mustang. I finally moved out here into the shop where I'm going to finish working on it. And I just wanted to do I got a couple of requests when I uploaded the sniper video. People wanted to see what it started from super cold, so no warm up, nothing, which was my first start video, but I got a couple of requests, so I want to come out here and run it, and might as well videotape it. So, let's see how she starts from very cold. Very nice. You guys can observe from perfectly cold engine, no warm up needed, and I have this kind of throttle response. Very nice. So there you have it. Cold start, Holley Sniper EFI, no pumping needed, clean idle right from the bat, and that throttle response is awesome. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I actually have 3 videos planned for this week, so make sure you subscribe. Later.